So once we develop a load and we work up a load, what we want to do is test it, pressure test it, velocity test it, make sure it's safe. We utilize SAMA guidelines to make sure our ammunition works safely in all firearms. Here what we have are universal test barrels. With these we use the piezo electric transducer, screws in here, and it'll read off of the case body, read the chamber pressure. Also we have other ones that read port pressures for semi-automatic, law enforcement, military firearms. Basically we'll chuck one of these barrels up in here, hook the transducer up, run it into the computer program there, and it'll give us chamber pressures and velocities. And that helps us tune the load, you know, for the performance, but utmost importance is to make sure it's at safe chamber pressures. And one thing we do every day when we come in is we'll do testing of each lot we have running. We'll bring it in here and do a lot test of it to make sure it's remaining consistent throughout the manufacturing process. We'll go out there and I'll show you some of the machines running and how we go over and explain some of the quality control checks that the loaders do while the machine's running, and also the inspection process where every round is hand inspected. All right, if you want to follow me, we'll head out there and grab some test rounds. Okay, over here we have 40 Smith & Wesson hollow points running. Basically what I'll do at the beginning of every day is I'll come over, check with them, grab some test rounds out of it, and we'll bring it back in the lab and pressure test it. Next, I can show you how they hand inspect every round, how every round is chambered. Every single one, they go through chambering blocks to make sure, to ensure consistent, reliable feeding and performance. And we'll head back out there and I'll show you that real quick. See, what we have right here is each round is put into these trays, and then we individually put them through chamber blocks to make sure that they all chamber correctly and fit inside the firearm chamber. After they're inspected, they're checking for any defects, any primer sealant that's off to the side or anything, any scratches, dents, anything that looks off, any scratches on the projectiles themselves. Those will be seconded or rejected. Thank you guys for watching today, and thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more exciting things from ICC.